Types of verb, Part 2. We have already discussed this diagram in our last video where we have learned about the helping verb and its types in detail. So, in today's video, we are going to learn about the main verb and its types in detail. So, let's start. Main verb or principal verb. It categorized into two types, finite verb and non-finite verb. A finite verb shows tense, person, and number. It indicates when the action takes place. Either it takes place in past, present, or future. For example, he runs every morning. They ate lunch at noon. I will call you later. So, finite verb used in all three tenses, present, past, and future. Either the subject is singular or plural. Now let's discuss all types of finite verb in detail. Number 1. Action verb. These verbs shows action or things to do. For example, push, stand, sit, hide. Stative verb or state verbs. These verbs shows the state of being, thinking, feeling rather than the action. For example, know, believe, want, love. Next is regular verbs. Regular verbs follow a simple rule to change the tenses. Just add ed to the base form of verb. For example, walk change into walked, talk change into talked, play change into played. So when we use the verb in the past tense, just add ed in the regular verb. Irregular verb. Irregular verbs don't follow the normal rule to change the tense. They can change in different ways. For example, go change into went, Eve changed into ate, see turned into saw. Transitive verbs. These verbs need an object to complete their meaning. They act on something. For example, throw. So for throwing a ball, it needs an object. Bake. Bake a cake. For baking a cake, he needs some object. Eating a pizza. For eating, it needs some object to eat. Intransitive verbs. These verbs do not need an object to complete their meanings. The action does not act on something. For example, sleep, run, laugh. Linking verbs. These verbs connect the subject of the sentence to more information about it. They don't show action, but they just link. For example, is, are, was, were. Next category of main verb is non-finite verbs. A non-finite verb does not show the tense, person, or number. It can stand along with the main verb of the sentence. Non-finite verbs are often used with the helping verbs to form different tenses or verbs phrases. For example, infinitive, gerund, participle, or phrasal verb. Let's discuss the all types of non-finite verb in detail. Gerund verbs. A gerund is the ing form of verb that function as a noun in the sentence. Even though it comes from a verb, but a gerund behaves like a noun. It can be subject or object in the sentence. For example, reading enriches my vocabulary. I enjoy learning. So in short, we can say that gerund are the words that are actually the verb but behave like a noun in the sentences. Number 2 is infinitive verbs. The base form of verb is called the infinitive verb. These verbs often preceded by to. For example, to eat, to run, to read. Participle verbs. A participle is a form of verb that functions as an adjective in the sentence. It may be present participle or past participle. The present participle is formed by adding ing to the base form of verb, which acts as a noun or adjective. For example, walking is good for healthy life. The running water sounded peaceful. The past participle. The past participle usually ends in ed for regular verb, like played or walked. But for irregular verb, it can vary, like eaten, born, or written. As we have already discussed the regular and irregular verbs. For example, he walked on the grass last night. The written letter was very kind. The last is phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are made up of a verb plus one or two other words, like preposition. They can have a different meaning than the main verb. For example, give up, which means to quit. Turn on, which means to start something. Look after, which means to take care of. Actually, these are the compound words. When two words combine, they form phrasal verb and give the different meaning. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like and learn from my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.